Maximize your retirement savings with the new 2025 Super Catch-Up Contribution Rules. If you're aged 60 to 63, you now have a unique opportunity to add up to $11,250 in extra contributions to your 401k or $5,250 to your Simple IRA. In this video, you'll learn how to qualify, how these rules work, and how they can help you reduce taxes and build a secure financial future. If you're serious about preparing for your confident and prosperous retirement, this video is for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Confident Wealth Solution for more informative content. Hello, and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real facts about the new Super Catch-Up contributions for seniors aged 60 to 63, what they are, how they work, and how they can help you supercharge your retirement savings. Let's dive in. Starting in 2025, new Super Catch-Up provisions for tax-advantaged retirement accounts will provide an exciting opportunity for individuals aged 60 to 63. Here's how it works. For 401k accounts, if you're between the ages of 60 and 63, you can contribute up to $11,250 in catch-up contributions annually. This is the greater of $10,000 or 150% of the standard catch-up limit for those 50 and over. This provision allows you to save significantly more during those critical pre-retirement years. For simple IRAs, the Super Catch-Up contribution is set at $5,250, a substantial boost to help you maximize your savings. Just keep in mind, these enhanced limits are temporary. Once you turn 64, the catch-up limit returns to $7,500 or the regular inflation-adjusted amount. So, why are Super Catch-Up provisions important? Retirement is changing. Americans are living longer, which means we need more savings to maintain our lifestyles in retirement. The Super Catch-Up provisions are designed to help seniors over 60 make up for lost time, whether due to career gaps, unexpected financial challenges, or simply the need to maximize retirement wealth in a short window. This provision gives you an unprecedented opportunity to catch up on retirement savings, reduce your taxable income, and build a more secure financial future. To take advantage of these new limits, here's what you need to do. Number one, review your contributions. Ensure you're contributing the maximum to your retirement accounts. For 401ks in 2025, the total contribution limit for those aged 60 to 63 is $34,750. That's a significant opportunity to grow your retirement nest egg. Number two, plan with your employer. Your employer's retirement plan must accommodate the new Super Catch-Up contributions, so confirm with your HR department that any necessary amendments are in place. Number three, evaluate your budget. Prioritize these contributions in your financial planning. If you're still working, this is your chance to make retirement savings a top priority. Number four, consult a financial professional. Strategic planning can help you align your contributions with your broader retirement goals. A financial professional can ensure you're making the most of this opportunity while optimizing tax benefits. At this point, it's important to emphasize a few limitations. To qualify for the Super Catch Up contribution, you must have already maxed out your standard salary deferral contributions, and the provisions apply only to taxpayers aged 60 to 63 by the end of the calendar year. If you're outside this age range or have not maxed out contributions, then the regular catch-up limits will still apply. 2025 is already here, and these changes can transform your retirement outlook. Don't wait. Start planning today to make the most of this opportunity. Whether you're looking to build wealth, reduce your tax burden, or prepare for a prosperous retirement, the Super Catch Up provisions are a game changer for seniors aged 60 to 63. And if you're a real action taker, click the link below to schedule a free consultation and start your journey toward a confident, secure retirement. Thank you for watching.